Congratulations, engaged. Macka, show the ring again.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
So people, the big news break last night. Macka Diamond is engaged to get married in January. Macka Diamond means that she'll take back the spotlight.
Shame on y'all! Shame!
Me know that flyover no found the head, but if you don't understand why that clip was placed in there, ask somebody. So yeah, anyway people, Macka Diamond was on Sky Hollywood live last night, and they talk about a whole bag of things. But people, what took the spotlight was when Macka Diamond announced the engagement. But me gonna tell you the truth. The whole time Macka dey on the live, Macka kinda hinting, she not say nothing, you know. But every minute Macka wipe her face, she a pick matter out her eye, she a scratch her head, she a flash all fly in front of her face, just to show off the big diamonds. You understand? And me a preach and me a say, Macka show something, you know. Macka show something, you know. But Sky just now pick up power, go on all along. Macka flash the hand in front of her face. Sky now pick up until at the end of the live, Macka just announce it and say, anyway, you don't know my big day coming up. Anyway, people, you know something, watch it for yourself, yeah.
Special day coming up and I want to look sexy. Hello.
All right, whenever you're ready.
It's my special day coming up. Bye.
We are the Macka engaged. Why? We are the Macka engaged.
I love you all. Bye.
Congratulations, engaged. Macka, show the ring again. Macka engaged.
Babe, listen.
Congrats.
Listen, me no care what Macka say. The gate really pull Macka.
The gate pull. You never show no ring before.
Nobody know why you know Macka.
Yeah.
Remember them say a old woman no Macka. Remember them say no man no left for you no Macka. Remember them say it.
Somebody said them see the ring long time. Blood cut me up. Yeah, babe. Drop a bomb. Where the bomb there? Drop a bomb. Drop a bomb, Macka. Macka, congrats. Listen on the right, congrats. Drop the bomb. Drop the bomb.
Yes, you know, so I'm not there on Bronxman for
Somebody said let me see. Yeah. Allah, me never did see it.
Guys, shh. Are you all up alone? Get it on the line.
Between me and you. Between me and you.
Macka really, yo.
And between me and you.
No man.
Regardless what them say, Macka, you have to go because woman can't get married.
She married herself, babe.
No.
Look how much time then cost. I know Macka married herself.
No.
I know she married herself.
You notice when major IT from them pull up old picture with major IT suck her breast?
Huh. Hold on.
Yeah.
Boy, Macka, so where the man there?
The man
you can't show him.
man saying can't bother no more. Him does all show them say, no?
Him no want to see.
Oh, the man saying
No, sir. Listen, let's share it. I walk with her screen recorder and send it.
So, Macka, let me ask you something. Is it a little old man or middle-aged man?
Nice.
The man there in about him 60s?
Nice, sweet, juicy. Nice, sweet and juicy.
Good age man.
Oh.
Sweet long.
Like where Queenie have?
No, man. Thick a body.
Oh.
You should be
Okay.
you're like a queenie of no man, no, not so young, my age group.
Not so young.
So,
Okay, like me.
Hold on, Macka.
Be happy for you, though.
I hope You know one of them woman they were gonna be engaged for over a year and a half.
Lad,
My birthday.
Engagement over a year and a half. He's not gonna be fucking married. I'm being honest.
Be nice.
Oh no, I'm just
You're not gonna be so mean.
I'm not being mean. I'm just being fair.
It's on my birthday.
When am I birthday again?
January.
So quick. So
I'm
that
married.
means the back
So I'm going to run through it right now.
Alright, pick up yourself,
Macka. And you can't know no Macka. You can't know so I want mix up man you're there with it now. Cause why him wait till all of this are go on to get the piece of ring?
No.
Yeah, come on. Come on. Serious? Why wait?
Alright, Rasta man.
He must say no one. Him realize say RT now about to kill me. So him say, you know, him about love.
Beloved. Me like it. Me like it. They get open. They get open. Maybe some nobody wants to they get open. I'm a y'all glow different. Y'all get ring.
Boy, lad, God.
Big up yourself, Macka. And big up your team.
Listen, Una motivate me to accept this. Una motivate me to accept this.
No, what you mean, Macka getting yo. Macka me happy.
You know, my interview me from night and Una me reveal this thing too. So Una knows on a special. I know
the ring nice though. And I like the chip them. Let me see the ring again.
Una my favorite couple.
Yeah, it's already. Yo! Macka, congrats.
Lord God.
Yeah.
Hello?
The way I work with where the Old Testament. The Old Testament where you work with.
Yeah.
The one where if my box in at that side I draw you turn the next year.
Yeah.
That no work, Macka. That no work. Stop make them people pick by you and bully you. It's not working.
Yeah.
No, Macka, sometimes you have to answer back people. When you no trouble people and people trouble you. No, you have to answer car. Weak fence now go far, Macka. You hear what you say? True, you don't want to share your little butter where you get, and you alone got sting. And them a work, and then bring 100 man with them. You see how life stay, Macka. So, you have to understand, even up the playing field. Me not depend nobody's side, but like me say, and you win no Macka, and I be alone. And we want everybody to taste the millions.
And them say them now let me in with it, and me one have to go in.
So that's that two sauce bars.
You see, babe, no, that no make no sense. Everybody can eat. What you gonna tell me, say? The whole of we are Jamaica, now you gonna tell me, say? Because...
Right, somebody said first Spice get man, now Macka get man for married her. What a mix up!
Why? Listen. No, man.
Thank you, I
did
did
it. So much in a one night. And you know, we are going to mix up, but send them... Send them come. Send them... Come.
You know, with them
and with them out, but send them come. You know war, we're not afraid of war, so I don't say go. No, we're not following nobody and bad mind nobody. Anybody say Holly Sky, and then we are say.
True, and Macka always say Holly.
Okay.
Macka, boy, me happy. Congrats. Congrats.
Thank you. So when them say them want to see it again?
Yeah. Well, another ring we have a little chip in our babes. Look like a VS.
No, Macka, listen.
And then ring
Macka,
chip.
Macka, remember, you know, see the comment the people them say, oh, you got married after born him. I used to give man born. So that them want to know if you go give him man born.
But second down.
No, she second down.
Oh.
But you know, Macka problem now. Why Macka choose no to take the ring? To everybody I say pull up it, pull it, gate pull.
You look so.
Yeah.
Macka me happy.
Hold on, babe. Yes, somebody said we definitely enough. Spice. We not have nothing with nobody.
No, we definitely no man. Big up Spice.
No, we not
And big up the Rasta. And big up Spice, big Christmas tree. And big up Spice with the matching pajamas. Me want about, you know, so me see everything.
Yeah, no.
No man, we don't have nothing with Spice. Me love Spice. Big up Spice.
You have to love everybody.
Me love everybody.
It not have nothing to do with you. Have no money from nothing.
Wherever the mix up there, I just so we there. Right now, Spice thing water down.
Yeah.
Spice I put up Christmas tree and I go put up Christmas and Macka Diamond I do it. Macka Diamond just get engaged.
Yeah, we are
I mix up but I mix up on social media. When the thing too calm, nobody no want run with you. I'm Macka now. Spice I put up Christmas tree and star on the top with she and two. Nobody no want to see that. Right now we want to know who Macka Diamond get for put ring on her finger. And that's everybody don't want to know. No, everybody know who Spice Man is already. No, everybody want to know who is Macka Diamond man.
And I saw the internet work.
Yeah, we know some Spice good and she put up Christmas ornaments.
Yeah.
But now Macka do it.
Yeah.
So Macka, how the man look? Him look like...
The ring, what I tell you say?
No, he's a Yankee man, and true y'all look papers in the US, you get a Yankee.
Oh my God. Whoa!
Wanna forget to me a Canadian?
You want to stay for unicorn?
Remember, say me a Canadian already, you know, so they can't, you know what I'm saying?
They want to know if it's unicorn. I know me ask the question, Macka. They want to know if it's...
Boy, Macka, I can't wait to see the little man.
Remember, say me a Canadian now. Remember, say me a Canadian already, so...
Yeah, but Canadian, US are wait there. No whole heap of money in that Canada like that. US and the 52 states are wait there.
My mother and my son and everybody, so...
Oh, your mother...
Family.
So now, is this man an American citizen?
Also Canada and all these things. So, my husband...
All right, is this man an American citizen? And that we want here.
Somebody say a cut and paste.
I'm not going to cry.
A cut and paste. And a cut and paste.
A cut and paste? I think a cut and paste, I might get it right.
A cut and paste?
So a cut and paste put ring by your finger?
Me get them out and me run things now.
She get out the man like Keisha Crab. Jesus Christ, hold on.
Yeah, we are calling Keisha Crab name for. Where you calling people name for the life?
First of all, Keisha there with we, and me can call her name because me call it in front of her. She come on the life and say she take with the woman man and she dep on the life now. So it no matter. She come and say it. So if she come and say that, me can't say it. So Macka get out the woman.
You know, I'm not going to do it with you. Nah, do it with you. Nah, do it with you. No, me nah do it with you.
Yeah, listen, internet.
So Keisha Crab, him just call your name. I'll be
cut it out. I make the man do the piece of life. Are you miserable, sir?
Macka, congrats. Can't wait for meet the man.
Thank you.
Can't wait.
Put my belly, I'm inside them, so I look good.
And a major somebody say one England man in Macka engaged.
No, the man they're foreign, yes, sir. Now New York Macka they know.
But
New York Macka know.
So somebody know your business, Macka, them say the Englishman.
Oh.
The Englishman?
Yeah, them say the Englishman you engaged to.
The person I swear, I could read it for them and tell them to love them. Upon the fake page, yeah. Here, what is it? Here then as Macka bitter like gall. Stop follow the spice, stop living the girl's shadow. I wish do you never have. Ring all a try dirty Macka, you will never be spice. Okay? Same like come to the dancing song them, and she try for them, she will never be Macka Diamond, cause hula hoop and dancing song.
So why them want compare you with Spice?
No, it's too different. It's two different era.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, she alone, a woman, and she alone. With a business and with war is on, and we're not really busy about nobody.
Yeah, murder, man, don't murder.
Yes, we'll talk up now, because we'll get married. I'm going to talk to the married couple them, and then bring me joy and me love how them live, and a long time this, you know.
So what if when the world open back and somebody come to Macka and say they want a Macka and spice war, would Macka take it?
Of course. Why Macka not gonna refuse it?
I'm not busy with nobody.
Of course Macka gonna take it.
So when this time she
Yeah. Eh?
My dancer said no. Dela dancer Queen Dela said no. Why Dela?
No, I tell her lyrics, girl.
She said those lyrics. That was the lyrics I'm going to war. Same way, I'm push a war. I don't want to war nobody right now. I just want to live like you in Hollywood. I want to live nice and sweet. And I don't want to go to the ups and downs, but at least, you know, I want to be like you. So that I work towards. And nice,
man.
A nice, decent life.
You're going to put on your career now for marriage?
No, my career can't put on. Anybody can run back on me with my career can't work.
Yeah, but
Exactly.
The career, you still balance your career to Masha.
Oh, yeah, man. But
balance the two of them.
No, nobody change me because of what them want. You understand what I said? But we have to compromise both ways, you know?
Oh, okay.
That's true.
I feel like right now the time for everybody just start type congratulations down in the comment section for Macka, yeah, man. Yeah, we can be happy for you. Nothing wrong. After no tree, no growing a Macka face. Yeah, Macka can get married too. And for all of the troll them who are troll Macka for a long time, say she about 266. Well, I lie, I never so much. About 100 I did so much. Well, them put a number on Wikipedia say Macka Diamond is way older than her age. Well, you see it, Macka Diamond engaged to be married. There is somebody for everybody. No. Watch out, man, people. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, what are you waiting on? Hit the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.